kababsi, for today's video, try nating puntahan isa sa mga pinakabagong seafoods restaurant dito sa Bacolod City, ang Fresca Seafoods Restaurant. Nakikita nyo naman, pinatangkilik talaga ng Bacolod nun at napakaraming customer. So, check this out. Fresca, also known as Fresh in Hiligaynon. Tinatangkilik talaga ng Bacolod nun ang restaurant na ito kasi fresh from the sea right to your table. Lahat yata ng seafoods makita mo dito. May sugpo, diwal, tangigi at iba pa. Bucket list talaga itong sizzling blue marlin na fresh talaga. They also have their kinilaw na tangigi na for sure sa sahog pa lang worth the price na. Isa din sa bet ko, their squid calamari. Not to mention their shrimp tempura. Arigato gozaimasu. Oops, isa din ang seafoods platter na ito na may crabs, shrimp at tahong. Hindi din patatalo yung fish sinigang. And lastly, their cheesy scallops na you can't ask for more. Eto sila lahat, hindi ko alam kung sinong uunahin ko dahil as worth to die for. Hello mga kababsi! So ito try na natin yung kanilang food na best seller nila sa Pinulis nila. First is yung tempura nila. Ito yung tempura sa unang kagat pa lang, worth na tempura. Ito na, yung isa din. Cheesy scallops. Nasa butter and cheese pa lang. Oh, hindi mo alam kung sweet or buttery. Basta. And their seafood platter, especially the tahong, na very juicy at nanonood talaga yung juicy flavorness at flavorful talaga. Grabe. Sarap. Approve. Isa rin dito ang kanilang calamari together with calamari dip na for sure mapapadalawang rice ka talaga na mitgidya. And they also serve sinigang na tangige na mapapakilig ka sa asim at sarap. And last but not the least, isang kanilang sizzling blue marlin na ubod ng sarap, especially ng kanilang sauce. Yummy! Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Try na! So mga kababsi, please visit Fresca Seafoods Restaurant located at Aquarius Street, Barangay Estefania, Bacolod City. They serve lunch and dinner Monday to Sunday. Sabi nga nila, fresh from the sea, right to your table. Just visit their Facebook page. See you, bears!
Welcome to Fresca!